So we are going to go into our warm-up jumps so that we can travel more from the corner. So let's get our ankles nice and warm. We start with a demi-plie, 1, and then we're going to take a little rise, 2. Repeat that, plie, and a rise. You've then got a double plie, 1, 2, into your rise. You're then going to hold for a few counts. Make sure the belly button is engaged. You're then going to jump kind of small through the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change to first, making sure you're turned out in the hips. To squeeze with resistance, to repeat everything in first position. You've got plie and a rise, plie and a rise, double bounce, 1, 2, and rise. Find your balance. Hold, hold, hold. 4 jumps, 1, 2, 3, 4. Change on the 5th jump to squeeze with resistance. Repeating in second, plie and a rise, plie and a rise, double plie and a rise. Hold, hold, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to parallel and squeeze. 5, 6, 7, and plie, and rise, demi-plie, and rise, double, rise, and hold, and through the feet, change to first, resist, and plie, good, plie, pulling up, double, hold, long spine, 1, 2, 3, through the feet, change to second, resist, and 1, up, keep opening out the hips, find the belly button engaged, and 1, 2,